Hey warriors, there's a storm gathering outside your window. Not rain and thunder, but a storm made of noise, opinions, distractions, and expectations. Every day, the world throws chaos at your doorstep, urging you to react, to crack, to bend to its rhythm. It whispers that you're not enough. It shouts that you're too much. It pulls you in 1,000 directions, hoping you'll forget the one direction that matters most. Inward. Marcus Aurelius once said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you'll uncover strength." Those words weren't written in comfort. They were born in struggle by a ruler who knew real power lives in the space between what happens and how we choose to respond. Life doesn't ask permission before it tests you. It doesn't wait until you feel ready. It arrives unannounced, bringing heartbreak, disappointment, loss, and uncertainty. When the ground feels unsteady beneath your feet, you still have a choice. Let the storm consume you, or become the calm within it. This isn't about denying pain. It's about understanding that your response, your mindset, your inner dialogue carries more power than any external force. This isn't about being unfeeling. It's about being unmoved by what you cannot control. Most of the problems we carry aren't problems at all. They're reactions. They're stories we tell ourselves when we forget who we are today. You'll learn 12 life lessons rooted in Stoicism. Lessons that helped emperors and slaves alike find peace in chaos, strength in silence, and freedom in acceptance. These are not just ideas. They are tools, keys to doors you didn't know were locked. Use them, and you'll see the life you've been chasing was within you all along. Some lessons will comfort you. Others will challenge you. But all of them will shape you into someone who no longer flinches at storms, because you've learned to carry your own sky. If this message resonates, hit like, comment, share, and subscribe, because we're building a community of people who refuse to stay broken. This isn't content. This is transformation. The world wants a reaction. You're about to learn how to give it a response. And that begins with belief. Believing in yourself is the first secret of success. No plan works if you don't believe you're worthy of finishing it. Your life will never rise higher than your belief. Not talent, not effort. Belief is the soil. Everything else is seed. Belief starts as a whisper before it becomes reality. Think about the goals you left behind. Was it time, or that quiet voice that said, "Who are you kidding?" That voice lies. It uses your past against you. Stoicism teaches that you are not your past. You are the awareness that learns and chooses what comes next. Believing in yourself doesn't mean perfection. It means pursuit, even when outcomes are uncertain. Stop waiting for permission. Believe you're worth the fight. A negative mind will never create a positive life. You become what you think. Guard your thoughts. Like treasure, your mind is a garden. What you plant grows. You can't sow worry and expect peace. Seneca said, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." Most of the pain you carry lives in memory or fear, not in this moment. Guard your mind like sacred ground. Choose better thoughts one by one. Don't count the days, make the days count. Time doesn't wait. Use today to leave a mark, not a tally. We know tomorrow isn't promised, but do we live like we know it? Aurelius urged, live what remains properly. Stop wasting time. Escaping the present each day is a gift wrapped in 24 hours. If you stay positive in a negative situation, you win. Calm is power. Your response is your victory. Winning isn't always applause. Sometimes it's silence. Sometimes it's walking away. It's mastery over your reaction. The storm outside doesn't define you. Your calm within it does. Your greatest asset is your mindset. Strip away everything, and what remains is how you think. Change the lens. Change the world. Two people face the same obstacle. One sees a dead end, the other a detour. Your mindset decides the difference. Don't quit. Nothing lasts forever. Not even pain. Night always breaks into morning. Pain is a visitor, not a resident. Endurance reveals light. Hold on. The sun is already rising. The way you speak to yourself matters the most. Your inner voice writes your story. Let it speak with respect. Talk to yourself like someone you love, with patience and honesty. Growth doesn't need punishment. It needs compassion. There is no growth without discomfort. Comfort protects what is. Discomfort builds. What can be the obstacle is the path. Every version of you that you admire was born outside. Comfort. Keep it private until it's permanent. Silence preserves strength. Premature celebration kills momentum. Work in quiet. Let results make the noise. Never tolerate disrespect, not even from yourself. Self-worth begins with how you treat your reflection. Don't break promises to yourself. You teach the world how to treat you by how you treat you. Better days are coming. Be patient, storms move through. Patience is active.